In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Shopify store in the UK step by step. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an established business owner looking to expand your reach, establishing an online presence through Shopify can be a game changer. Let's dive right into the process of setting up your store, focusing on tailoring it specifically for the UK market. First, you'll want to ensure your Shopify settings reflect your business location accurately. Start by navigating to the Settings section of your Shopify dashboard. This is the control center of your store and where you'll make key adjustments to suit your business needs. Once you're in the settings, you're going to click on the Locations tab. This section is crucial as it allows Shopify to understand where your store is operating from, which in turn helps with calculating sales tax, currency settings, and shipping zones accurately. Next, find and click on Shop Locations. This is where you'll list all the locations where your products are stored or handled. Your primary objective here is to set your main address correctly to reflect your operation in the UK. Once you're in the shop locations, select the address you want to update. Here, you'll see a form with fields for your business address. Click on the Country drop-down menu and select United Kingdom from the list. It's important to make sure that all other details, like street address, city, and postcode, are entered correctly. These details are not only vital for your business operations, but also lend credibility to your store, showing customers exactly where you're based. After updating your country setting, don't forget to hit Save. This might seem like a small step, but it's critical. Saving ensures that all the changes you've made in the address section are applied across your Shopify account. Without saving, your changes won't take effect, and your store will continue to operate under the old location settings. This might impact things like VAT calculations or shipping rates, crucial elements when selling in a specific region like the UK. Remember, setting your location correctly is just the first step in making your store operate smoothly within the UK market. Going forward, you'll want to adjust other elements such as local currency, tax settings, and shipping zones to fully align with the UK standards. This setup helps in managing operations efficiently and meeting customer expectations. Being thorough with your location settings also positions your store favorably with search engines, boosting your visibility online. And there you have it, a foundational step in setting up your Shopify store specifically tailored for operations in the UK. Ensuring your shop location is correctly configured is vital for smooth business transactions and seamless customer experiences. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating a successful online store that can cater effectively to customers in the UK. Keep exploring the other settings in Shopify to optimize your store further and provide the best possible service to your customers.